Hello again all, I'm back. I just got reports of the storm. I am currently tracking the storm that you guys are seeing right in front of me. Has just smashed Port Lincoln with massive hail. So I think I might steer clear of this one. Honestly, you can actually see to the left, behind that sign, that's the hail shaft, and also behind those big dark fingery clouds, that's also hail in there because it's nice and green, and greeny tingy hail. There's actually some briefish funnels coming from there, and it looks like it's moving right towards me. So I will not chicken out if it happens. Hey, the cop's gone. I will not chicken out if it happens to come this way. I will stay in it, but big hail, I might book it. I don't know. It seems too big at the moment, but I'm amazed by this, guys. Half of me wants to just go, and the other half wants to say no. Jesus. Dad. Wow, that was cool. Hello, Dad. How are you? I'm in Clare at the moment, watching the biggest thunderstorm I've ever seen in my entire life come up on me. It's just smashed windows with hail at Port Lincoln, so I'm going to book it soon. But it's got very, very finger-like clouds in it. There's been some stuff reached towards the ground a couple of times, so it's definitely trying, and this is a line of storms. So I'm just on the other side of the hills of Clare watching it come in, and Cleve and Port Lincoln just got battered by its constant lightning. This will be bigger. It's just entered land. The instability is rising. The winds are gusting actually into the storm and wrapping it around. So this is a bona fide supercell at the moment, and it's mate, this is absolutely insanity, and I really need to pee. And there's actually been a cop behind me for like 20 minutes. I pulled up in front of him, and I felt for sure he was going to come speak to me, but he didn't. He just drove off. Because I'm on the side of the road at the moment, just watching this. And it seems to be getting more and more severe as it's coming in. But I can actually see where the hail shaft is to the left of the wrapping rain curtains, and to the right is the inflow jet. And it's just constantly strobing all of it. It's green, it's got the nice green hail tinge. Yeah, so that's all good. I don't know what I'm going to chase after this, and I think I might let this one go by me. Unless it comes towards me, of course. And I might intercept another one, but I'm very, very hesitant to intercept at the moment. I don't want to get hail. Hang on, I'll check the weather, because I'm pretty sure a pretty bad storm's coming for you as well. Not as bad as here, but pretty bona fide. No, not the phone, the bloody radar. Oh, no, I know what you mean, sorry, yeah, Dilly. Yeah, this is, I don't know if he's actually going to ring me, I may have forgotten. But I could always ring 133 something, I don't know the number. But yeah, if you have... Oh yeah, it is. Oh, I'm not... Yeah, well... yeah, this is actually the biggest storm in the state I'm chasing at the moment, and it is actually slightly coming towards Gawler at the moment, or part of it is. Yeah, you guys got some heavy rain on the way, but nowhere near what we've got. It's... Oh, wait, tornado on the ground. Right in front of me. Yeah, it's coming to the ground. Okay. I better film it, bye. Photograph it first, that's amazing. Oh, for fuck's sakes. It's on the ground too. Well, it was briefly, very, very briefly. I might pull off a little bit of this other side of the road, and I'll... down a little bit so I can get through this time. That was cool, but I missed it. Oh, damn it. I swear this thing had film. I swear it had film. I swear it did. Honestly, I fucking swear it, man. Oh. Yeah. Oh, for fuck's sake. It's trying, man. Focus. There, man. Where's the rain? Rain call's in there. That's not good. Oh! It stops now, coming towards me. Holy moly.
Lightning crashing. And not quite in the CBD, although there is anticipation of precipitation.
Sean, what's your number?
Very pretentious there, aren't I? Rain's on the way, though. If it's not hit your area already, the Bureau reckons it's going to last for the next couple of hours, this next storm. It's on our doorstep right now. Right? It's going to be bigger than the one we had early this afternoon, but not quite as big as the one that's coming later tonight. Cop that out, Adelaide. Jars is going to have a field day there. Or don't miss out the rush hour. Jars and Louis and Triple A.
Hello? Come on, Sean. Give me a call, mate. I haven't got a personal cell. That'd be handy. It's really strong, that's fine. That's too fucking... Fuck the rain. Shit, not good. Run for your lives! Fuck! Oh, you fucking cord. Fuck off. Guys, this storm just increased a millionfold. It's actually coming right towards me according to radar now. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know if I should book it. Should I stay with it? It's starting to rain. Look at that, that's amazing. The whole storm is lighting up. Let's see if I can get it angled here. Not ready. Right. They don't make cars to hold iPads. It's a design flaw in my... Hang on, maybe on top of the steering wheel. Hey, look at that. Oh, that ominous rumble. I might wind down the window a little bit if it's not too windy, so you guys can hear it. Because it's such a good sound. You guys just missed the closest lightning strike ever. It was like right there. That sucks. So what you have in front of you guys is a supercell. The supercell is rotating. Has the chance to put down a tornado. It is already, a funnel has reached already to the ground once. It is definitely capable of doing it again. Do I want it to when, like, with me here, like right here? No, not particularly. But I actually do. My friend is saying just go for the storm chase and just do it, because I have insurance. Thanks, Tim. That was cool. That struck the tree out there. So that should show you guys how close this storm is. Almost looks like some of the clouds are on the ground. Oh, you guys missed another one out of frame. Sucks. So to just another quick update. To the left of the screen, you'll see that like misty kind of stuff. That is actually the rain core, the rain band of the storm. The bit I'm aiming at now, which you can see all the finger-like bits coming to the ground and coming towards me, that's actually the front of the storm coming in. That's the most powerful part coming directly at me. I want to stress this. This isn't going past me. This was, but it's decided to come and say hello and come right in. I'm actually at the side of it now. The front of it is more off to north of Clare Way, and I may actually go there. I don't know. You can see some wrapping. But the problem is, guys, if there's going to be a tornado, it's going to be right in the middle of that rain band, right in the middle of that rain core. And by how much movement is with this storm and how circular and round it is and how much it's rotating, I'm not too sure that I want to actually get in that. Actually, it's actually starting to form on the front side. Front right side. There's something happening in there. That's why you stay back. That's why you don't just rush in. You stay back and you watch. I can see something trying. Yep, there's a funnel, very, very thin funnel. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that looks to be like a landspout or a gust-nado. I don't think it's a tornado yet. It's trying. It's trying hard. No, it evaporated. It's oh no, hang on, it's coming around again. Yeah, we have a multi-vortex here. Sorry. Piss you all off, I don't know. I'm holding the iPad at a really awkward angle. But the rain's actually starting to catch up with me on the left side, and I really don't want it to. Because this storm is actually really now starting to spin up, and it's starting to really do some tornadic things. So I don't want the rain to catch up to me. I may have to go back towards bloody Clare, and the only road is backwards, and it's covered in trees. And we've been severe thunderstorm warned at Adelaide now. Nothing compared to these bad boys. Wow, this whole thing is just rotating around. Typical of HP storms, you'll get a tornado on the front right side or left side, I think, either one. No, it's on the front, not that much. Or in the middle, which would suck. Because then I'd get picked up by it and eaten and then die. And then I would go down in history as a 20-year-old storm chasing died. And it's beginning to rain. Not good. That rain. Oh no, it's just gusty rain from the thing you're looking at. So I'm going to try and position this and wedge it in my window. Don't know if I can. No, doesn't work. No, it doesn't work. Maybe here. Maybe here. Maybe just jam it in there. Bloody jam it in there, mate. I'm just going to sit up and indicate the store for a second. I honestly don't know, guys. Alright, guys, I'm going to have to put it on the camera. I'm going to take some still shots, and I may think about getting the hell out of here. Even though I do have insurance. Thanks, Tim. That's capturing good video. Oh wait, that's the main core. Oh my god, there's a tornado. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That's a huge touchdown. That's huge. Guys, we've got a rapidly developing tornado right in front of me. It is absolutely massive. It is spinning on the ground. It is coming to the ground right now. It is huge. That whole rain band you see to the left side, you see that thing rapidly moving? That's the entire fucking tornado. I will die if I get anywhere fucking close to that. Oh my fucking god. It's good to know how I react in these situations. I react a bit fucking poorly, to be honest. But, open that fucking door. Sorry. I gotta put my door handle back on. Fuck. Come on, you little shit. Yeah, we got a rapidly developing HP tornado just outside of Clare. I've got to get out of here very, very soon, but this thing is moving. I've got to call Mum and Dad. This is cool. I'll call someone. I don't care who. Anyone. I'm going to put him on speaker so you guys can hear. Answer me, please. Dad, you're on speakerphone for the whole world to hear. I'm now tracking a wedge tornado right outside of Clare. It is almost on the ground. It is really rapidly spinning. I'm getting hit by hail. I've got to bug out of here really, really soon, but this thing is moving across.
Get some good photos of it.
Yeah, I know, but this thing is huge. You should see it.
Well, if you take some photos, I will.
I'm taking film. You're on film with the world.
Huh?
You're on film with the world. I'm filming right now. I'm going to put it up on YouTube.
Awesome. Well, I will see it, assuming you survive the ordeal.
I'm going to survive. I'm not getting anywhere freaking close to that.
Cool.
But wow, this thing is incredible. You guys should see it.
Hey, when I hear the radio station number, do you want me to text it to you?
Not right now. I'm a bit busy. Saving my life.
Okay, mate.
Yeah, I gotta leave really, really soon. I'm getting hit.
Okay.
Bye.
See ya.
Alright guys, that was my dad. As you can see, there is a tornado back in that rain there. It is moving across very, very rapidly. You got wrapping rain curtains and all. The whole storm is lifting. It is coming towards me. I don't think I can... I think I need to leave very, very soon, guys. I'm going to get some more video. I'm going to leave. Ring Tim. Tim. I didn't. Fuck. Oh. Stop! Fuck! I can see it. It's on the ground. It's on the ground. It's on the ground. Wow! Let's go chasing! Right, I'm gonna fly by the seat of my pants. I'm gonna try and get close to it. It is. Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god! It is huge. It is huge. It is on the ground. I'm about to get hit by rain. Oh my god! It is fucking hell. What the fuck do I do? Do I run? Do I not? What do I do? Alright, it's pulled up for a second. It's pulled up. It's still rotating like crazy. I've got the massive rain band coming to my right though. Holy shit. And people are fucking driving into it, you fuckwit. That's a multi-vortex right there. Multi-vortex. Multi-vortex on the ground. And we're back. We've got a multi-vortex on the ground. It's lifted up for now. There's people driving into it. I've got massive heavy rain coming to my right. I'm about to run. I'm about to go hide under a fucking rock. I don't think I can survive an ordeal with any of this. It's too strong. It is way too strong. It is a tornado on the ground currently outside of Clare. On the ground. Oh, fuck off then. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit, it's coming over. Fucking run. Just fucking book it. People are fucking driving into it. What the fuck are they thinking? What, think it's gonna be some fucking dance in the park? Fuck off, that's a fucking tornado, you fuckwit. I gotta... Oh my god. I gotta fucking stay and film this shit. This is so fucking amazing. Oh my god.